Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is credit crunch or credit squeeze. A credit crunch or credit squeeze is a reduction in available credit. This generally happens after banks and other financial institutions have lended with lenient policies to people unable to pay back the debt. So due to the defaults, they start being more selective about who they're willing to loan to. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Sales are down due to the credit crunch. We will never be able to sell our stock if consumers can't get financing. Concern over the credit squeeze has retailers in a frenzy during Christmas time when sales are usually at their highest. Credit crunch or credit squeeze is today's idiom. It means a reduction in available credit. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you. I also wanted to bring up, there will be some courses available for subscribers to the channel. I will be talking about them in the future. They're not created yet, but there's going to be a free course on having a new job. It will be about how to introduce yourself to your colleagues, how to introduce your products and services to clients, greeting a foreign visitor, entertaining the foreign visitor, talking about your job, and so forth. So that is coming up. It might take me a month or two to create it, but after it's created, there will be a message on the site about it, and you'll be the first to know. There will be other courses following that, such as email writing, meetings, presentations, and such. So I'll be letting you know as soon as it's ready. Thank you so much. Have a great day.